So, guys, here I want to empty the fridge. Actually, I have an appointment, so I need to empty it before going because the one inside the freezer was blocked. So, I can't clean it like that. So, I have to empty it first that morning. Before taking my bath, I empty it. Then went for my appointment. It was when I came back that I did the cleaning actually. So I unplugged it before removing these items from inside the fridge. And when I moved the fridge, you need to see the dirt behind it. It was much. This time around, I saw cutting board, I saw pencil, I saw different type of things. So funny. So this is how it rolls. So I have to empty it. Actually, this is really the work. You empty, you clean, then you put them back again. Yeah, I didn't use detergent. I used vinegar and water. I saw it in someone's channel and I tried it. It worked. It really cleaned the fridge. The first time I tried it, it really worked. Yes. I call her my PA. The person I'm talking about, I call her my PA. I'm going to be putting a link on my description box. So you go check her. If you don't have her, please have her. She's very genuine. She's organic. Thank you so much. Yes, so thank God for Whitey. We are learning every day in Whitey. So actually, I used to use water and detergent before, but when I saw it on her video, yes, on her channel, and I stopped using that. I started using this vinegar and water. So this is my last vinegar for the day. So I'll pour it inside the water and use. So that is how I do it to clean the fridge. And with that, I'm good to go. Everywhere will clean. So I'm carrying you guys along. Thank you so much. I'll use this medium to appreciate my friend. Story of motherhood. If you don't have her, you need her in your life. Yes, she's very organic and genuine too. If you don't have her, yes, she was saying it. She said, sis, you have content. You have content. Really, I do this not often, once in a while, but I never thought of it. Showing it to my YT family and friends to see. Do you understand? To watch. No, I never thought of it. She made mention of it. So I said, okay, it's a good idea. Yes, so thank you so much, everyone. If you don't have her, please have her. Then I think I will answer God's time, God's love. She asked a question. There was a day we did family, I think routine after church or something. My husband wasn't there. She asked, this blue plastic you are seeing, that day he was not with us. He went to town to get them. That carton you are seeing is carton of fish. That is how we do it. You just buy them. Here is more expensive. Even if you talk about the transport fare, it's more expensive. So we just go to Montreal and get it, especially when someone wants to go to Montreal. You don't need to pay transport fare. So you just go with the person and get it. You know, in my house now, we have professor in my house. So you just take him along. The person comes to our house. He's taking the person on English language. So the person comes to our house. So whenever the person is going to city, we tell him. So he goes with him and he buy whatever we don't have. So this is how we do it. Instead of buying it bit by bit. So guys, this is it. Your sister is doing the cleaning now. I'm cleaning everywhere. I'll be showing you the dirt. Yes, I wanted to carry you guys along, just to really show you how I do my own. And I hope you are enjoying it. So I needed to speed this video. I don't want it to be too long. So this is how I do it. This is how I do it. I'm so happy for the upload I did on microwave. Yes, my daughter said something. She testified to it, that in our school they asked her to be taking microwave to the storeroom, you understand, then clean. So when I did that video, it was an advantage to her. It was an advantage to her. She really liked it. She was like, "Mommy, I want to go and watch and see, so that I will know how to do it in school." I said, "Okay." And really, when she came back, she said, "I did the same thing. I unplugged it first before taking it away to the storeroom and then clean." So guys, so this is how we do it. We are helping one another. This is how we roll to help one another, and it will go a long way. Though sometimes we might say, we don't need this now, we don't need it, this is not what we need. I can assure you that we need it, especially for our upcoming children. Yes, you might not be there, you might be tired. I might be tired to do these things. I can tell them, go and do it. I will say, okay, go and check Lagbaja's YouTube. But now, since I am a content creator, I can tell, oh, go and check my YouTube. I will tell them the topic. I might not even remember the topic, but since this is what they are looking for, so I'm privileged. Also, you too, you are privileged, you are opportune. So I'm so happy for every one of us as content creator. We are blessed indeed. We are one of the people, yes, one of the persons that go around the whole world without visa. Yes, you carry yourself all around without visa, without ticket, and you will get there. You will take whatever you want to take. Can't you see we are blessed? Who does that? Can you imagine? Like, seriously, we are blessed in YTO. We have to start taking advantage of it. That is just the truth. That is why whenever I go to anybody's channel, yes, if I learn something, I'm not ashamed to say it. And the truth is that we have to continue giving credit to who credit is due. Yes, do it. There's nothing to shy away from it. Let's do it. Give credit to them, to encourage them. Do to others what you want people to do to you. That is just it. And I know the Lord that will serve will continue to bless each and every one of us. Thank you so much for standing by. Thank you for staying too. Yes, so this is how we do it. I'm cleaning everywhere, the down, every corner. I'm making sure that I'm using the phone to clean them. Actually, I call this one major operation. That's what I call it. It's not minor. It's not minor at all. I do minor one often. Sometimes I'll just come get phone clean around. But this particular one I'm doing now is major operation, whereby I have to empty the fridge. Yes, I empty it, bring out everything, clean the whole place to make sure it's clean. It's major operation. Thank you so much everyone for standing by. I really appreciate every one of you for your love. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Please don't forget to comment below. Let me know too how you do yours. Yes, let me know, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Yes, so we are into this already, no going back. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I really appreciate those are subscribers. I really appreciate you. Your comments is giving us joy. Yes, keep us moving. With you guys by us, we are not discouraged. We keep going, we keep moving. And if you are wondering what is she talking about, you are just thinking, what are they doing here? I'm talking about subscribe. It's free. You are not paying for it. It's free. When you subscribe to our channel, it is free. You are not paying for it. So please guys, don't forget to subscribe. At the same time, hit the bell so that whenever we upload a new video, you get notified. Thank you so much for your love. I really appreciate you all. Thank you. Oh, my good God will continue to bless you all wherever you are. Thank you so much. I really appreciate every one of you. So this is how we roll. I pray God will continue to help us. God will continue to make a way for us when there seems to be no way, and just the truth. So let us know in the comment section how you do yours too. If you have any other things that you use in cleaning it. Actually, I was using water and detergent before now. But since I watched someone's upload that she used lime and water for her own. But me, I tried using vinegar and water. It worked. It cleaned the place, cleaned the fridge very well. So since that day I started using it, and it's really working. Just of recent, I saw story of motherhood using coke to clean stove. I've never seen that before also. Yes, I keep learning on YT. I'm so happy that I'm in YT. I'm a content creator. I'm a YouTuber. And the way she did it so clean, I was wondering. I said, really? Coke, just coke. So guys, you keep learning on YT. I know some people are already used to it already, but your sister is not. So she's learning now. Yes, so this is how we roll. Thank you so much, everyone. I really appreciate everyone for your love. Thank you for your comments. We are really seeing your handwork. Yes, let's continue to be one another's keeper. Yes, brother and sister. Let's continue to do it the right way. We'll get there. It's a matter of time. Just continue to be encouraged. I know sometimes we get discouraged, but we should not allow it to weigh us down. Let's continue to be encouraged and continue to move on. We'll get there. It's a matter of time. We'll get there. 5 years from now, if God tarries, we will not be doing this. Yes, we will not be hustling for views. That is just the truth. If God tarries. But the way things are now, my brothers and sisters, end time is very close. It's very close. So we just have to be very, very careful in whatever we are doing. Let's put God first. And I know God will continue to encourage us. God will continue to help us. Yes, so see me, I'm cleaning this one. I brought it out from inside. So I'm cleaning it. I remember when we were moving, so they forgot to bring this out. So as they were carrying the fridge, it's not fair. So it's not fair. So I took it that day. So that was how I knew it's detachable. You can remove it. Before I was thinking you can remove it. Before we move, when I want to clean it, I'll just clean everything. I don't remove this one you are seeing on my hand, and I don't remove it. Because when we were moving, I knew you can remove it. So I'm cleaning in front of the fridge now. The kids, I don't want to remove their decoration because they will ask me. So I'm cleaning every part of it now. Thank you so much, everyone. You can see the door. Because when we were moving, that it has that scratch on it. It has that scratch on it. Thank you so much, everyone. I appreciate every one of you. I appreciate your love. Thank you for your encouragement. Thank you for your love that you are showing to us. Yes. Excess love for us. Thank you. We really appreciate you. We appreciate you. We are grateful we have you guys in our life. We are grateful we have you guys in our life. Thank you so much. May the good God that we serve continue to bless you. He will continue to answer your prayer whatsoever it is.